CompTIA A Plus Core 1 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.5. Compare and contrast common networking hardware devices. Modern modems. Hold on 1 second while I try to connect. Just kidding. Some of you may have recognized that sound, but if you didn't, that was an old-school dial-up modem attempting to connect to an internet service provider. Dial-up used to be very common and very slow. Fortunately, today we have a few more modern connection methods available to us, each using their own special type of modem. Depending on the transmission medium and service connection type in use, there are many different types of modems that can be deployed. To ease into this topic, I will start with a basic definition. In networking, a modem, short for modulator-demodulator, is a networking device that converts data from one signaling format to another so it can travel between a local network and an internet service provider. Now, before I go any further, I want to remind you that this course builds upon the topics covered in the CompTIA Tech Plus certification exam. Specific to this video segment, you should have the prerequisite knowledge of electrical signals, as well as a basic understanding of cable, DSL, and fiber optic communications, all of which can be found in our free CompTIA Tech Plus training course. With that said, I will now talk about cable modems. A cable modem modulates and demodulates cable TV signals to provide internet access. Your internet service provider sends internet data in one format that the cable modem then converts into another format that your computer or network can understand. This also happens in reverse for outgoing data. As for making a connection, a cable modem connects to your home through the same coaxial cable that brings in cable TV. It plugs into a cable outlet on one end and to a computer or router on the other end, usually via an Ethernet cable. Next, we have a digital subscriber line, or DSL modem. DSL uses a separate frequency band on a traditional phone line for internet data transmissions, so you can use the internet and phone simultaneously. The DSL modem modulates internet data into high-frequency signals for transmission over the telephone lines and demodulates incoming signals back into a format that your computer or network can comprehend. Hooking up a DSL modem involves connecting to the internet through your home's telephone line. It plugs into a telephone jack using a DSL filter and to a computer or router via an Ethernet cable. Lastly, we have an optical network terminal, or ONT. An ONT converts the optical signals, transmitted via a fiber optic cable, into electrical Ethernet signals that your computer network can utilize. This is similar to how DSL and cable modems work, but uses light signals instead of electrical signals over copper lines. An ONT is used exclusively with fiber optic internet connections. In order to provide a connection, the ONT connects to the ISP's fiber optic network on one end and to your computer network on the other end. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.